Welcome to Woven Deal, your primary destination for practical business insights and digital growth strategies. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the world of email marketing funnels to help you convert casual readers into loyal buyers over time. Email marketing remains one of the most reliable online business tools because it allows you to build direct, uninterrupted relationships with your target audience. Throughout this detailed guide, we will break down list management, strategic automated sequence creation, and advanced conversion optimization tactics. Everything shared here strictly respects community guidelines, focusing entirely on legitimate, high-integrity growth strategies that build real long-term value for your brand. Understanding how these separate elements work together is the key to creating predictable revenue while maintaining trust with your audience. By mastering these core fundamentals, you can build a sustainable digital asset that grows right along with your primary business goals. Building a solid foundation starts with understanding what an email marketing funnel actually does for your ongoing business operations. Think of your funnel as a guided journey that introduces new subscribers to your brand, educates them on your unique solutions, and invites them to take specific actions. Unlike social media algorithms that change without warning, your email list gives you direct control over your distribution channels and customer interactions. By structuring your communications carefully, you ensure that subscribers receive relevant information at the exact moment they need it most. This structured approach builds authentic credibility and positions your business as a dependable authority across your specific niche. Additionally, a well-constructed funnel runs continuously in the background, allowing you to cultivate leads without manually writing every single message every day. Investing time in designing this framework pays continuous dividends through consistent engagement and sustainable client acquisition. The first major phase of your email funnel strategy relies on effective subscriber list management techniques. Collecting random email addresses without clear organization will quickly lead to poor performance, low deliverability, and weak engagement rates overall. You must focus on quality over sheer quantity by attracting subscribers who genuinely care about the specific solutions and products you provide. Clear opt-in forms, honest value propositions, and reliable subscription confirmations keep your list clean and highly responsive right from day one. Taking time to organize your database correctly prevents technical inbox placement issues and protects your sender domain reputation over long periods. Moreover, clean lists mean your marketing metrics remain accurate, allowing you to make smart business decisions based on reliable data. Proper management sets the stage for every automated sequence and promotional campaign you plan to deploy later. To maintain subscriber quality, you should implement a double opt-in verification process for all incoming database contacts. A double opt-in requires new subscribers to confirm their email address by clicking a verification link sent directly to their personal inbox. While this extra step slightly reduces the initial number of raw signups, it dramatically increases overall audience quality and engagement metrics. It ensures that every person on your list provided a correct email address and actively desires to receive your periodic updates. This process also protects your web forms from automated software submissions, keeping your overall domain safe and respected by major inbox providers. Ultimately, having a smaller group of enthusiastic readers is far more profitable than carrying thousands of unverified addresses that never open your messages. Double opt-in verification acts as your first firewall against low deliverability and poor sender scoring. Segmentation is another essential pillar of modern list management that you cannot afford to skip in your daily operations. Broad broadcasting to an entire contact database often alienates audience members who have specific interests or distinct personal needs. By dividing your audience into smaller groups based on their preferences, sign-up sources, or purchasing history, you can send tailored messages. Subscribers appreciate receiving content tailored specifically to their current situation, which results in higher open rates and fewer unsubscribe requests. Strategic segmentation transforms a basic broadcast list into a dynamic engine for relevant, highly personalized communication. Furthermore, segmenting allows you to test different offers with smaller target groups before launching them to your complete customer database. Proper tag management keeps your customer database neat and allows for seamless automation behind the scenes without manual sorting. Tags are simple labels attached to subscriber profiles whenever they complete a specific action, like downloading a resource or registering for an event. Using clear, consistent tagging rules makes it simple to track where each contact is positioned inside your broader marketing funnel. You can trigger targeted automated messages based on these tags without spending hours manually sifting through complex spreadsheets. Structured tags create the underlying framework that powers advanced automated workflows across your entire marketing setup. As your business grows, automated tags ensure that your marketing system scales smoothly without creating extra administrative burdens. Regular list maintenance, often referred to as database hygiene, ensures your overall message deliverability remains consistently high year after year. Over time, subscribers change email accounts, shift priorities, or simply stop opening your regular transmissions altogether. Sending messages to inactive accounts signals to email service providers that your content might not be valuable, which lowers overall domain performance. Periodically, identifying inactive contacts and placing them through a short re-engagement sequence helps you clean out non-responsive accounts safely. Removing unengaged contacts keeps your database healthy, lowers your subscription costs, and significantly boosts your inbox placement performance across all major email providers. Think of database hygiene as routine operational maintenance that protects your domain reputation and maximizes the return on your marketing efforts. Understanding sender reputation and technical authentication protocols keeps your communications out of the secondary spam folder. Setting up standard security measures like Sender Policy Framework, DomainKey's Identified Mail, and domain-based message authentication helps email providers verify your identity. These technical configurations prove that your messages genuinely originate from your business domain and have not been altered in transit by unauthorized parties. Taking care of these underlying details protects your primary digital assets and guarantees that your hard work actually reaches your target audience. Technical safety measures form the silent backbone of every successful email infrastructure project, ensuring that your content enjoys optimal visibility every time. Neglecting these standards can ruin even the best copy and design efforts, so prioritizing security setup is non-negotiable. With your database organized and protected, you can move directly into creating automated email sequences. An automated sequence is a series of pre-written emails delivered on a predetermined schedule after a user performs a specific trigger action. The welcome sequence serves as your primary introduction, establishing your core brand identity, setting clear expectations, and delivering your promised resources instantly. First impressions carry significant weight, so your opening messages should offer immediate value while encouraging open lines of communication. Establishing a helpful, authentic tone right away sets positive expectations for every future interaction your subscribers have with your company. A great welcome sequence turns curious leads into active community members who look forward to reading your future messages. Establishing a consistent editorial calendar keeps your automated content fresh, organized, and relevant to market conditions. Plan your email releases alongside product launches, seasonal events, and main educational campaigns weeks or months in advance. Clear planning prevents rushed writing, minimizes sending mistakes, and maintains consistent content quality across every sequence you publish. Coordinate your email messages with your other official platform content to reinforce key themes across all your channels simultaneously. Strategic planning ensures your brand voice stays consistent and aligned with your core operational objectives every day. Organized content schedules remove stress while powering steady, predictable audience growth over time. Developing a distinct brand voice creates consistency across all your funnel messages, making your business instantly recognizable. Whether your tone is casual, direct, educational, or highly technical, stick to that style across every email you send. Consistency reassures your audience, establishing a familiar environment where subscribers feel comfortable learning and making purchasing decisions. Avoid changing your writing personality drastically between transactional updates, educational content, and sales sequences. A unified voice reinforces brand identity and deepens reader connection through every step of your marketing funnel. Cultivating an authentic voice sets your business apart from competitors using generic corporate communication styles. Scaling your email funnel operations requires automating routine tasks while preserving genuine human connections throughout your communication. As your subscriber list expands, leverage advanced automation features to handle list sorting, dynamic content, and activity tracking. Continue writing personal, empathetic copy that addresses individual reader needs directly, keeping automation behind the curtain where it belongs. Advanced systems should enhance the personal experience for your subscribers rather than making your messages feel robotic or distant. Balancing smart automation with authentic human communication allows your digital business to grow smoothly without losing quality. Maintaining this human touch remains your ultimate competitive advantage in a world saturated with generic outreach. Building a profitable email funnel is an ongoing process of learning, measuring, and refining your core systems over time. Focus on delivering immense value to your community, organizing your contact database, and optimizing conversions with clear, honest principles. By maintaining strong database hygiene and technical security standards, you protect your digital assets for years to come. Thank you for reading this guide on channel strategy. If you found this information helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your questions in the comments section below. We look forward to seeing your business thrive through smart, ethical digital marketing practices.